Welcome back, everyone. My name is Nicole.
My name is Vanessa.
And we are program instructors for the City of London. I feel like whenever I'm making crafts, I always get super hungry.
Me too. Maybe we should combine both.
Combine snacking and crafting?
Yeah.
Well, you can't actually eat it, but we can make macaroni necklaces.
Yeah, that sounds like fun. We need some rubbing alcohol,
some food coloring. I recommend having at least a few different colors.
Some pasta in different shapes,
a pair of gloves so that you don't dye your hands,
some paper, a tray to put the macaroni on,
some plastic bags to use for dye, and then some string and a pair of scissors to make your necklace. First, you're going to put on your gloves and put whatever pasta you choose into a plastic bag.
To the bag, we're going to add some food coloring.
And then we're going to add a little bit of rubbing alcohol to help it dry a little bit faster.
Once the food coloring and rubbing alcohol is in the bag, we're going to close the bag up and shake it around so that the dye goes all over the pasta.
Then we're going to pour it out onto a tray and let it dry for about 40 minutes.
Once the pasta is dry, we're going to take our string and bead our pasta onto the string.
You can make it a necklace or a bracelet or a keychain. It's totally up to you. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time for another craft.
Bye everyone.